Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Lots of people have been asking about Kleftico, the traditional Cypriot lamb dish. And look at this guys, Kleftico. There it is, the restaurant at Kleftico here in Deryneia. Very, very famous for Kleftico, the lamb in the oven. And we've got two friends with us today. Introduce yourselves guys, because I'm going to go over to the oven.
I'm Steve.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Greedy Chops.
Oh yes, Greedy Chops.
I'm Debbie.
There you go. So take a seat and I will show you the ovens guys before we sit down. Oh, look at this antique Suzuki. It's a bit dark, isn't it? But it's what is it? I-80 it says. Let me show you the Kleftico. Just come down here. Oh, we've got some light down here. Now look at these pots. Very, very popular restaurant, by the way. And look at all these pots and look at all these onions. So this is the Kleftico oven. It's quite a modern one, still based on the old-fashioned one, covered with cement, I do believe, this particular one. And inside there would be bricks, probably mud bricks, and then we've got the door, and this particular one's got a metal door. Normally you'd cover it with a cement type door or a clay door and then put mud all over it. Oh, hello.
Good evening, how
Good
are you?
evening, fine, thank you. Are you taking out some Kleftico?
Yes, yes, I have ordered two.
He's got
two
all
portions.
two portions are on order.
Yeah.
So you can take some out. There's a big pot.
So the meat in a pot.
There we go.
The potatoes.
All the potatoes, it smells delish, are in that one pot. And there's another big pot there. Just going to move it over slightly.
Yes, of course.
There we are, be careful. Massive pot there. There you go. So
these roast potatoes.
There's the cypriot potatoes, and there's the Kleftico, the lamb. And we're taking out two portions at the moment for customers. Lovely and soft. Be careful because it falls off the bone, doesn't it? So you've got to be a little bit careful when you take it out. Yeah, see? All falling off the bone. There you go. And we'll take out some of these triple delish potatoes. And they're local potatoes from the lovely red soil. There you are. Plenty of potatoes there.
These two portions now.
Right, so that's enormous amount is for just two people, believe it or not. And he's going to take it over to the kitchen and prepare it. So guys, this particular potato is called Gara potato, and the chef here specifically wants Gara potatoes for Kleftico. Now if you go to another restaurant, they'll probably put you another type of potato, which is what?
Spunda.
Spunda.
Yeah.
He does not use Spunda potatoes, guys. These are special potatoes for Kleftico. And by the way, guys, if you can find Gara potatoes, they do not absorb the oil. So that's why they use them for Kleftico. So let's have a look what they've got here for starters. Mixed salad. Oh, only $1.50. Look at that. Very good price. The green olives are $2.50. Yogurts. Grilled sausages, €5. Very good value for money. You can always have snails Want snails?
I don't mind snails.
Oh, you don't mind snails?
I've
There
had
you
them
are.
before.
Salads, they've got the village salad is just £7.50. Tuna salad, mixed salad €7. Moving on to the cypriot dishes, we've got the Kleftico, of course, the fresh lamb. We've seen that coming out the oven, just €15. Well, that's for very, very good value for money. Beef tovado, €14. Moving on, we have got lamb and liver with eggs. That's a traditional cypriot dish, by the way.
Is it?
Yes.
Never had it.
Very delish, €13. Spaghetti bolognese, €8.50. From the grill, we've got lamb cutlets, chicken fillets, pork fillet, €13. Chef d'Oeuvres, €12. All very, very good value for money. Moving on, we have got a full meze for 2 people, €40. That's just €20 each. Kids menu, very reasonable. Desserts as well, including ice cream. Traditional sweets are just €1.50. Oh,
Good.
might try them at that price. Very reasonable. Yogurt with honey, again a traditional Cypriot, afters at $3.50. Soft drinks are just $2.25 and slow beers are just $3.50. All very, very good prices. Now let me show you what you got. We've got the traditional Cypriot salad. We've ordered that for the main course, but you can have some now if you want to. Don't get too full up, of course. We've got the main courses coming and they're massive. So, salad. You've ordered some tahini.
Tashi,
Or dashi.
yeah.
You've got tamassalata, traditional Cypriot bread, and an onion.
An onion.
An onion, why not?
Always get an onion at a traditional Cypriot restaurant. Did you know that? And of course we can say it's quality when we see the pack. And you get lemon. Now the onion, you just peel it yourself if you
Yeah.
fancy, and you eat it.
Yeah.
That's
And you
what
have
you
no
do.
friends in the morning.
Who wants friends when you've got food like this? Now you might find that a little bit salty because if you look at the colour, you can see it's slightly yellow. But that's homemade halloumi. That is proper village halloumi. And it might be a little bit harder than you're used to in the UK because that is made from goat's milk 100%, where in the UK you'll get halloumi that's made half or 40% goat's milk, not sure on the percentage, and normal cow's milk. Oh, smells delish. So proper Cypriot potato chips, and that's not the same potato that you're going to get.
Okay.
This is chips potato, and you got the same. Ooh, wait a minute, have you got more potatoes than I have? I'm not going to count them. I think you've got more than me. Anyway, why is that?
Some greedy chocolate.
Oh, they knew you were coming. I've got Chef d'Oeuvres, they look triple delish, proper homemade, and pork kebab, which is lovely and soft. Look how soft that is. Beautiful. Got pizza bread, of course we've got the traditional Cypriot bread, which is nearly gone. We've done well with that.
Onion, dear.
Onion. No, I'm alright with an onion, thank you. I know it's a traditional Cypriot thing, but I'm fine with it. We've got tons and tons of meat. Look at all that. And those lovely potatoes. Try them when I come back to you and see if the potatoes are greasy or not, or oily.
We'll check.
Because they're special potatoes, you know, chosen by the chef here. And actually, once you open them up, can you see there's no oil in them?
Beautiful.
So, what do you think?
This is triple delish. I mean, there is no fat on this at all. All the fat is rendered down. Can we even do traditional delish? Is that a thing?
Oh,
Is that a new one?
that's a new one.
Traditional delish.
Traditional delish. Very,
this
very
is-
good.
it
And your
just-
potatoes greasy or not?
Absolutely not. They're
Nothing.
light and fluffy.
There you go.
But the meat is just falling to pieces. Fantastic.
I suppose that's why they call the restaurant Kleftico. And what about yours?
Triple delish.
There you are.
Yeah.
Do they not call the restaurant Costaris?
Yeah, it's got Kleftico on the top. I've called it Kleftico. It's actually called Costaris, isn't it? Oh, I did miss that. Sorry, guys. I missed that. It is there. Sorry, guys. It had an umbrella in the way. Here in Deryneia, by the way.
Deryneia.
We're in Deryneia, and it's called.
Costaris.
Thank you.
And you can
With
get,
a C.
Yes. And you can get the 501 bus to down the road.
There you are. You can have some sweets. It's complimentary.
I reckon we
It's
are.
watermelon this time in syrup.
Let's do
Oh,
it.
we've got cherries as well.
I think we've got
I
cherries.
didn't see that bit. Oh, I'll try watermelon. There we are.
Oh, they're amazing.
It's the skin of watermelon put in syrup, isn't it?
They are triple
Radioactive, your
delish.
dad used to say.
Yeah, my dad used to call it radioactive.
That's definitely
Ooh.
triple delish.
Oh, that is good.
Oh, they are
Very
good.
sweet.
Oh, that is good
Aren't they?
delish.
Aren't they? Really good.
Is that traditional delish?
Traditional delish.
Cherries are good.
Try that bit. Yeah.
They're lovely.
So where are we? Costaris.
In Deryneia.
In Deryneia. Not Kleftico, but it has got Kleftico at the top, hasn't it, guys? And that was what village delish? Did you say?
Traditional delish.
Oh, traditional.
Is that a
Another
new one?
That is a new one. That's very, very good. I think it was traditional delish as well, including triple delish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go,
Put it in the comments below.